Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. In this video, I'm going to talk about important chart here that uh, usually people don't pay attention to that, but I found that very good synergy between this chart and the S&P 500 and the cycles that we can see the bottom and top in the market overall, especially for the long-term perspective. If you just interested in investment and also to see what's going to be the market situation in the next few months, make sure watch this video by the entire as well. So let's get to the chart, see what chart tells us. Here is S&P 500. No, I'm just kidding. This is JP Morgan. So this is JP Morgan monthly chart. And as you see here, we have a top in 2020 COVID crash and also bottom as well. And this is the top 2021 and this is the bottom in 2022 October. And look at that. So this is a nice parabolic move to the upside. Right now, JP Morgan hit new all-time high with a volatile August. But right now, we are sitting at 224.78. So this is a monthly chart. Everything is all right. Everything is perfect. But look at this. So this is a very nice symmetry with S&P 500. However, I should say it's kind of like a leading with S&P 500. And if you're interested to see when market is top and bottom, we should look at this chart all the time because this is interesting. Whenever we get into this parabolic move, look at that. So this is SMA 20. This line is SMA 20. And price is getting parabolic move to the upside. It takes time, but always, we will have a crash or deeper corrective move to the downside, which is coming along exactly with the stock market. Right now, SMA 20 is here, price is here. So this is a deep divergence, I should say strong divergence with SMA 20 and also price at this place. And whenever we get into recession or kind of like a corrective move, this chart going all the way down to SMA 100 in monthly chart. So this is a COVID bottom, and this is a 2022 bottom. And right now, the SMA 100 is here. So if you want to see the next potential bottom for the market or JP Morgan is going to be here, somewhere around here, which is going to be substantial drop for the market. And usually these cycles are coming very symmetrical. And right now we are kind of like stretching our cycle and we are very close to get to the next cycle for the topping formation and starting the next leg down to the downside. It may just see this pattern. It may just forming this pattern like a double top, which takes more or longer than usual, but it's going very deeper correction and longer time. But it could be like a sharp sell-off like this in COVID crash. Whatever comes first doesn't matter. Basically, the thing that we know is we have a divergence here, a huge divergence, and this divergence is kind of like a very symmetrical that we are getting into the top, especially when we see some kind of like a parabolic move to the upside, we can see that. If we go to weekly chart, so let me save it, going to the weekly chart. So in weekly chart, we're seeing the same scenario here. So if you just look at this, we are kind of like seeing very nice 4 weeks parabolic move to the upside. The entire month of August was rallied all the way up. But look at the MACD and look at this is a huge divergence in MACD and also a huge divergence in RSI. If I want to show you the divergence in RSI, so the RSI is lagging. So we are at a parabolic stage, new all-time high, but look at the rally and look at the divergence here. So this is very deep to the downside, right? So whenever I see this, I should say JP Morgan is at final stage of its rally and it can roll over anytime soon, let's say in September, October. And when that happens, usually it's coming along with the stock market, especially S&P 500 index. If you want to see the comparison, I just bring the chart here in my trading view platform and look at that. So this blue line is S&P 500 and candlesticks are JP Morgan. And you see that this is a fantastic symmetry. When this one is bottom, S&P bottom. When this one is top, JP Morgan actually top. We went into this volatile activity, and also JP Morgan was leading last time in a volatility, and bottom here as well. So whenever this one is bottom, very nicely, S&P 500 nailed the bottom. Even in correction, we had the same similarity, and with this one. So this is very fantastic. It just everything goes perfectly with this chart. And right now we are at its parabolic stage, 224.80 cents. So when you see a sign of reversal in a weekly and monthly, we should see the top for S&P 500 as well. This is not just individual stock. This is kind of like a symmetry that I can see with this chart and S&P 500. All right, folks, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.